Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Volkswagen Golf headlight bulb, updated. Start by parking safely, turning off the ignition, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal before you touch anything. Open the hood and remove any covers or air boxes that block access to the headlight housing. Work with gloves to avoid oil on the bulb and keep components organized on a clean towel for reassembly. Begin by locating the access cover behind the headlight and removing it carefully to reveal the bulb. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling it straight back, then unfasten the retaining clip or unscrew the holder. Gently pull the old bulb free, avoiding contact with the glass to prevent contamination. Set the old bulb aside and inspect the socket for corrosion before installing the new one. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more automotive how-tos. Quick recommendation. After bending over your bumper, I use Little Tree's black ice in my car because it masks garage smells and keeps the ride pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now, let's get back to the video. Handle the replacement bulb by its base and align the tabs with the socket, then seat it fully into the housing. Reattach the retaining clip or screws to secure the bulb and plug the electrical connector back in until it clicks. Reinstall any access covers or air boxes you removed, then reconnect the battery negative terminal. Turn the headlights on to confirm operation and adjust aim if necessary to ensure proper alignment and beam cutoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.